mag-like tayo konti dyan, princess, ha? Okay, take two tayo, princess, ha? Ready, set, hinga ka muna. Ready, go!
Happy birthday to me!
Okay, princess, you got 24 seconds. Okay, maraming salamat, princess. Okay, now let's have Ate Angel. Okay? Ate Angel, kailangan mo lang ipit ang 39 seconds to Ate Eliana. Okay, ready, set, and go.
Happy birthday, princess!
Okay, alam mo ba, Angel, ang nakuha mong score? Okay, 39 din! With Ate Angel and, okay, Ate Alena. Okay. Now, nako, wag muna kayo magsaya dyan, dalawa, dahil meron pa tayo. Okay, players. Okay, for our next challengers, we have Ate. Okay, come here. Okay, ikaw ang susunod nating challenger. Okay. Ready ka na ba? Yes or no? Yes. Okay. Ready, set, and go.
Happy birthday, princess!
Okay. You've got 60 seconds. Thank you so much. Now, let's have Ate Chad. Okay? Ready? 30, Chad. Okay, Ate Chad, 39 seconds ang kailangan mong ibit. Kayang-kaya ba? Oh, tingnan nga natin. Okay, ready, set, and go.
Happy birthday, princess!
Oh, nice. Toy? Card ang pwede sa'yo.
Okay, Chad, you got 29 seconds. Thank you so much for joining. And, Ate. Okay, ikaw ang next player natin. Come on. Ayaw niya talaga. Okay, now, let's have our two winners. Okay, they got 39 seconds. And congratulations to Ate Angel and Ate Elena. Okay, clap your hands.
Clap your hands.
And get your special prize.
Audience.
Okay. Alright, before you receive your special prize now, Ate, you have to shout our magic words, Happy Birthday, Princess. And what? Ready, set, go!
Happy birthday, princess!
Okay. Ayan lang, shout lang tayo. Thank you so much, Ate. And for you. Okay, maraming salamat, kids. Okay, for joining our games. Now, kids, everyone, clap your hands to ourselves. Palakpakan natin ating sarili. At dahil dyan, medyo napagod kayo at medyo nagutom kayo.